everybody. Welcome to another episode of Bolts and Boost. I will be taking the factory intake off the Vette today and replacing it with a Volant performance intake. Not sure how I feel about it yet. I'm hoping at the very least I get some good sound out of it. Maybe 5-10 horsepower without a tune. I will be getting this thing tuned. But without further ado, let's get started. Guys, let's dive into this. So I just grabbed my hose clamp tool, my trusty hose clamp tool here. It is a 5/16, and I'm just gonna start going to town. I already did the clips, undid the clips here, and it looks like this is just gonna slide out. This is the hose, the air pump hose. So I think I gotta take this off first, and then the MAF, these little tabs here that I just think pop off, and then take the whole assembly out. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, I like to show you any troubles that I face you guys can prepare for. So this little gray clip sits in there like that. You gotta pull it out and actually pull it out of the clip so you can access this little tab, and it's just like a normal clip after that, see? And then pull it off. So there's a trick to that. All right guys, sorry about the fan. It is just 100 degrees in here. That's the old air filter, which is absolutely disgusting. You have to take that out, or at least I did. And then it was still stuck. So down there's those rubber tabs at the bottom. You gotta pull that away from this mount here. It mounts to this frame, it looks like, and you gotta pull that off. And then everything's free. And I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, but now I can lift it up. So it's free now. I just got to undo the air pump hose, and she'll come out nice and easy. Stock system is out. Watch those clips, because when you take it out, they like to come up and smack your hood. I found that out the hard way. I don't think that it marked it up, but still, you don't want it to. Let's check out what the throttle body looks like. Nice and clean. Fish. Okay, I'm gonna give that a spray. I'm probably gonna clean down there and then start hooking up the new system. All right guys, old system on the left, new system on the right. It's gonna have 2 nostrils for sucking air and breathing, and then go over the radiator with this guy, and then all the hardware to do it. So let's get to it. All right guys, got the MAF out. It was a little challenging. It was just stuck in there really good. I'm going to wash it because it is dusty and coated. So there's that, you can see that, it's just gross. So I'm gonna wash it with some mass airflow sensor cleaner that I have. My go-to stuff, Sensor Clean I think it's called, right there by CRC. I think that's the MAF on it right there. It is. But yeah, I'm gonna douse this thing in that and start installing. I'm just gonna follow these instructions here. So it goes air filter, Y piece, silicone, the large one, MAF, pipe, silicone throttle body. Ta-da! There she is, boys and girls. Came with an extra long coupler at the throttle body. Not entirely sure as to why. This was a pain in the neck to butt up against the throttle body. You can kind of still see down there. There's a little gap. That I've been trying to mate this up for probably 20 minutes. So I'm gonna have to probably readjust it, but my arm has had enough. I have sweat probably gallons because it's so hot and muggy out. But that's it so far, boys and girls. There's the nostrils. Be careful of how you position the MAF. You want to position it like it is now. There's the air pump hose in there. Everything's tight like a tiger. Tight like a tiger. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust that again, and I really don't want to, but I'm gonna have to, I guess. So let's do a sound check. All right, everybody, you heard it. It sounds absolutely mean. I think that intake really brought out more exhaust noises. I could barely hear the induction noises, which is odd, but I hear very, very mean exhaust now throughout the RPM band, which is nuts. I can't wait to hear it on the road. It sounds really, really aggressive, which is exactly what you want out of a car like this. So I'm happy. The intake isn't the best in quality. There's a lot of pieces that aren't cut. I had to trim the air pump hose nipple off because it was really off. Like the castings of the two halves where it met. I thought I brought that up in another video. But yeah, just the way that they're cut, where they join up, for some reason they're off a bit. But the material seems like it's good material. It's very malleable and soft to the touch for the most part. So it is super hot in my garage, so don't mind. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure love making this stuff and showing you what I run into. But there's the Volant intake, and like I said, I'm gonna have to adjust that a bit and maybe the math, but I don't think so. I think it clears okay. So, but yeah, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the channel. There's lots of this stuff on the channel. If you like this sort of stuff, be sure to subscribe. All right, I'm out, everybody. Peace.